Do you see my screen now?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. So, Professor Shen, I will speak and then I will be silent so can our team or our colleagues translate. This is a project, a sample of a project where we have a website developed with the local partners.
啊，他们当地的合作操作。
这是哪儿啊？乌米或中东的一个地方。
对，乌马，heritage，感觉像
约旦，
约旦。
它这个是跟当地一起合作建立的一个网站。
It is a big Roman site in Jordan.
这是约旦的一个罗马遗迹。
And we are trying to record the ruins, the old history, the archaeology, and different digital archives.
我们试着对这个进行很多材料的收集。
This project we do to the University of Leeds, who are leading it, and a number of local Jordanian partners and museums.
这个项目是和利兹大学一起合作的，然后当中也有很多约旦的大学在一起。
And I'm showing this to show you examples of what we can do in a similar but on a bigger scale, of course, in Old Summer Palace.
就是想给大家呈现一下咱们一个合作的可能性，特别是针对这个圆明园。
So we hope to work together to produce the research in two languages, of course, in Chinese or Mandarin and in English.
咱们的合作可以是用2种语言，中文和英文，我们可以发表。
We run extensive research in history, and virtual tours.
我们的研究包括了这个历史，还有虚拟的。
We work with the communities and interview them and engage with them about heritage engagement, and we do a lot of studies on how the heritage of that site is relevant to the city.
其他的还包括许多的，包括附近的村庄啊，政治啊，就凡是跟这个相关的，我们都做一些研究。
And we produce digital or virtual galleries about history and different parts of the history of the heritage site.
当中包括一个虚拟的画廊，这里面包括了很多的艺术品，不同风格的。
So, as example, here we did certain laser scanning of some of the Roman theater.
举个例子来说，我们对一个罗马的它这个剧院做了一个3D 的建模。
Just a second, it's uploading all the details. Yeah. So can you see here? Site is very detailed, and you can visit and navigate around that history or that historic site and its details.
所以可以方便大家进行一个虚拟的游览，这里面有很多细节。
This is on certain parts of the site. But we can also do this for certain artifacts and objects similar to the dragons. Here, for example.
除了建筑物之外，我们也对一些物件进行了这个3D 的建模。
So these are similar artifacts to the old summer palace, where we scan it and then make sure it is virtually accessible.
这个就是我们进行了3D 的扫描之后，我们可以进行这个虚拟的观看。
Sorry. And this could be to any objects that we have on site. But we also, sorry. We also go and interview and talk to people. About their food culture, how they eat, how they irrigate, how to develop vegetation.
这当中也有一些对当地文化的了解，包括当地的人在跟你介绍如何种地和他们的农业。
And those are local people and were interviewed in local language, in Arabic.
我们也对当地的人进行采访，他们是用阿拉伯语来回答我们的问题的。
And then we have this virtual tours where you can really explore the site itself.
当中包括了这个虚拟的游览。
Where you can see and navigate around the site, and a map that's generated by our team. And these are 360.
这个整个的3D 地图都是由我们的团队来建立的。
And go into certain spaces and generate this kind of virtual tours of these buildings and spaces.
这是之前的一个商店。
And of course, there will be a lot of study about the history. Where you can see origins. Understanding of that history and digital galleries. About how they have become, how the history of that map. And so on. And finally, galleries. About everything here, for example, you can see even the detailed archaeological and detailed pavements, historic objects, and so on. So something like this. It's a website developed by a research collaboration with teams, including us, University of Leeds, with the Department of Antiquities and Museum of Jordan. And after a period of 5 years, the museum where we maintain the site is co-owned and then becomes a property of the Department of Antiquities in Jordan. Thank you. This is just to give you a glimpse of what we hope to reproduce, and this is something that we have been working on a while.